What's up, fellow vapers? Welcome to Freeton Vaping World. Today we are unboxing something that's sure to catch your eye and take your vaping to new heights. Galant. This disposable is designed to turn heads and elevate your vaping game. Let's get started. First, let's take a quick look at the packaging. It's sleek, stylish, and gives you a first impression of what's inside. On the front, you'll see an image of the Galant along with key details like its flavor options, dual modes, airflow adjustment, and an impressive 25,000 puffs. On the side, it reinforces the same standout features, making it clear from every angle what product is all about. The packaging has important warning labels on both the front and back to ensure safety. Now let's open it up. I know you are excited. Let's open the box, rip the plastic back open, and there it is, the Galant. The first thing you'll notice is its stunning black and white resin marble shell. Meanwhile, it feels really comfortable in your hand with its rounded body. This device is definitely built for both style and comfort. When you take a closer look, you'll see a button that allows you to adjust the power settings. The Galant features two modes, a normal mode for smooth mellow draw, and a turbo mode for more intense heat with denser vapor. Whether you are in the mood for something light or need that powerful heat, you got it covered. The vibrant screen display gives you real-time feedback on edges and battery levels, so you'll always know exactly where you stand. At the base, there's an airflow control slider that lets you adjust the draw from tight to airy. It's all about precision, so you can tailor each inhale to your exact preferences. Galant has 5 flavors: blueberry ice, grape ice, strawberry watermelon, strawberry mango, peach ice. As for the specifications, with a 700 mAh rechargeable battery, the Galant lasts multiple days of using. It can hold e-juice that supports up to 25,000 puffs, ensuring a satisfying experience. The upgraded mesh coil delivers smooth, flavorful vapor with every puff, making it a perfect choice for those who want reliable performance and great taste. It's a device that combines style, performance, and convenience all in one. If you like our product today, go check it out in our website. I'll leave the link below. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment and like us. For more Freeton vapes, subscribe and stay tuned. Remember, enjoy freedom, enjoy Freeton.